Hey folks, I'm Tony.
And I'm Tina.
And we're TNT RVing. So, what have we been up to today, Tina?
We actually just arrived at our campsite here in Shipshewana, Indiana. And we actually came to Indiana to do some things with Rockwood. But today, what did we do today?
Today, we got to visit Liquify's world headquarters.
Yep.
And they had this awesome open house. They invited everybody to come on out. They were cooking up burgers, hot dogs, they had ice cream, all kinds of chips and snacks and stuff that they were giving away.
Yeah.
And what was really neat is they also gave away an Alliance Delta ultralight.
Yeah, they actually had a live last Saturday where they were, where if you bought a product, they would put in entries for you into the sweepstakes to win the sweepstakes. To win this RV. And we actually purchased some liquified ourselves, and so
here's our package. They were kind enough to hold
coming
it
Monday
for us. Well,
yeah.
My favorite part of this box, and I don't know if you can see it, but it says, think of us when you poop. So we will definitely do that, I guess, Matt.
Yeah.
Thank you. So what I wanted to show what we ended up purchasing, and we got the RV toilet tank treatment in lavender, and this is how many ounces is this one? This was a 64-ounce container, and it really smells nice.
Mm-hmm.
I also bought a smaller container, and this is a 16-ounce. So the thought behind this is we're going to keep this in Bell. We'll keep this at home. When this gets low, we'll just top it off and refill it.
Yeah.
And we'll just store this in our RV bathroom right here. So let me show you.
Well, but actually, we're big fans of the orange. We already have the orange, but we wanted to try the lavender. So that's why. See, we actually have.
We have. This is what we currently use. Oops.
I don't know what that was. Just an empty bag, I guess.
So we keep it in the little Ziploc, but I like the smaller size because it's just less space, right?
Right.
That it's going to take up. So we did not do our tank treatment, and we're going to use the new product today.
Yeah.
So, and this stuff, it's so easy to use. All you have to do is we're going to take this off here, this tape, real time here. Put that there, here. And then we're going to open this up.
This is real time.
And we're going to go ahead and break the foil seal here. And, oh geez.
You did the wrong side.
The wrong side. Real time errors. Because I'm looking at where the measuring.
Oh my gosh, that's funny.
Right here.
Yeah.
1 ounce. Here we go. We got 1/2 ounce and 1 ounce. And what I always do, we add 1 ounce. And you're supposed to add 1 ounce per 40 gallons.
Always read the directions first.
Yes, and know what side to open. But it doesn't matter because I'm going to be filling this up anyways.
It doesn't matter. Yep.
So let's see here. We're going to pop the foil. There we go. And we're going to lift this up here. We're going to, first off, I want to let you know this is completely dry. So what I do is...
Move the wastebasket out of the way.
Yeah, it's unsightly.
There's nothing in it.
We're going to fill this up with water. What I like to do is actually flush a little bit of water down first, and that'll fill up that outlet. I want this to be in the tank, not just accumulating right near the outlet. And then we're simply going to add 1 ounce of product, right like that. And Tina, smell that.
Ooh. Oh, I like that.
That lavender's
lovely.
It's a lovely lavender. Add that right like that. And look at that color. Beautiful. And we say goodbye. And there it goes. So now we are set. I'll leave that like that. Close that up. And then as Matt said, Tina.
What, prime pooping position?
Think of us when you poop. So when you come down in here and we're hanging out here.
What's your view, Tony?
I gotta show you what I'm looking at here. This is the prime pooping position. So any rate, Matt, Will, I appreciate all that you've done.
Yep.
You guys are really great for the RV community.
Yep.
And have taken care of a lot of people. So
we really appreciate it, and we love your product, and we love promoting it. So
there you go.
There
I
you
hope you found this video helpful, useful, entertaining, possibly. And if you did, I appreciate if you'd subscribe to TNT RVing.
Yeah, give us a big thumbs up, a like, and we'll see you at the campground.
TNT.